Hello, guys. Hello. This Vera TV program. I greet you, appreciate you. This video goes to my Vera Comedy TV, guys. Please, if it's your first time, you never subscribe, please try to subscribe to Vera TV program and my Vera Comedy TV. This video is going direct to my Vera Comedy TV. Please try to subscribe to Vera Comedy TV. God bless you. I appreciate you a lot. So I get to get message when I want to give you for Kakabo and Vie Erio and Kakabo. So may I still drop some more message for my Vera Comedy TV. So if you have not subscribed, please try to hit that subscribe button and press that bell. That one will give you unlocks. Will make your mind sweet. Oh yes. After many kids, I still look sweet like this. That was the jealousy, guys. Look sweet, look popori. Look sweet, guys. So now, so my beautiful people, thank you very much. I appreciate you. So let's go to the topic. So my people, sure una go know this lady called Ivie Rio. The lady the video I did day before yesterday, if I'm not mistaken, guys. Yeah, it's day before yesterday. The video I did Ivie Rio and Kakabo. They say not be smarty for social media. Ivie Rio go give Kakabo paper, whether Ayelala paper, something like that. But Kakabo now don't they fear. Una no want it for this life. Those people, especially Kakabo and they are very evil and stupid human being. Una know say I do video that I cut on and say when Ivie Rio talk about the girl, you know really he saw them. She always say news when the girl husband they carry na fake news he talk. Say after 8 years in Deutschland and you walk, German will still deport that person. So that is when the lady they talk say na lie. Her husband lie. So the girl did not come out and reply her immediately. She refused and she pretend as if she didn't see the video. While later now, she and the Kakabona don't go back, go talk her. Kakabona now he can't say the girl come outside. The girl do finish now. Kakabo come outside call the cause the lady. I wonder why this life when be see some people they are very wicked. You do that, they swear for mama boy, you they swear for a late pikin. Your owner they never swear for you now, you don't they fear, you don't they fear. People they ask you whether you they fear. Why you go fear? Not say you be Odunga. If you go talk with person, no, do not make us to see me so. I know they use maybe because you better pass me and call the lie against you. No. If you not do something, I know they talk. If you do it the way you take do, and that's how they talk. Because we don't know who go they swear for something. Go say which time they talk that kind of thing. Which time they do. Don't use pepper body or because we want spoil person name. When I wash me, I don't do that. If you don't come for me, I don't come for you. If you don't find me, I don't find you. That is me. I do my own my social media. When I say any matter about them, then self na person matter they talk. Because I wonder why sometimes people go say, we only finish for saga. It's not saga. That means people matter when they come they talk, not be saga. They are not talking their own matter now. That now people matter that they talk. Now people matter that they talk. So since they said they talk people matter, they get the right to talk their matter too. Because if my own call not be saga to them, they take it as normal person, as they take they talk normal person matter. So all of them, when it come, I will still bring it on my media. I say it. Then too talk mine. Then too cost me. So leave me and let me do my work when God say. So may those haters leave me and let me do my work when God send me. So now they say Kakabona don't they fear. They say Kakabona don't they fear, no be small thing. Say the girl say one bring la paper con give Kakabo. So Kakabona don't they fear up and down. They say this one down. Why will you be fear? We not say you not say you be Odunga, say not see the wave you will be bo. Anybody give you give her. Anybody give you give her. Go there and go answer. Oh, John, over you wait for me. Now go take me. Na Calabar juju me one can give you. Me mo ela la no where. No. Calabar na me one can give John love it. Calabar me here mo give John love it. Makan very soon. You don't near. So now I see them. You don't come their own fear that they hold them. Why will you be scared? You don't need to be scared and afraid. Bear it because you have been doing you know they deal with people long time ago. So why you go to fear? They say nah, you don't they fear. If your area deal with them personally. That Kakabona they carry everything put for head. Now they tell them I get do I dey here do. No be person say me go born for fake oyibo. fake oyibo wey miss way come Italy wey come grow for there. You see get man dey cost my man. Emmanuel Biele ete ya ohoa. You know say those children they don't forget where they follow they go. Those your pikin they are abandoned property with him. Abandoned property everywhere where he kakabo. Abandoned property now your those your pikin your still be abandoned. Because you know why? You be like who no born. They say see who born for better oyibo. Your own are the most worst oyibo you born for. Kakabo. You don't dey fear. When they curse another person, you don't know say na so it be. May they swear for your full household. May they lay curse on your full household. May you know as they be for body. You say you be Odunga. You want if you leave your sister children, make government collect them. You are a mother, you go say come on. I'm a humanitarian. Humanitarian don't use and collect money. Olawale or Nakule abi Olawale money. You collect all of them. And those spirits, those people, dead body when they collect money, they must slap you one day for live video. Go and market. All those lie when they like they collect money, they store, they dupe people. Now so you want help. Now so you want help. See your own now. She want help. You know the finish. I want help. You never feel help your own sister. When even bring you come abroad. One gotta do human trafficking. You will come as a human traffic. Human trafficking, but you are the number one human trafficking. You are the number one and the number one. Nobody, you not complete two. You are the number one. You say human trafficking, human trafficking, human. Kakaba, Ivie Erio. Pepe kakabo where Ivie Erio. Make sure you pepe kakabo where. Make sure pepe her beg. Pepe her can't wait. Pepe her. Yes, let her pepe a kakabo. Because kakabo deserve it. Kakabo have stepped on many people's toes. Kakabo don't they step you where you cut now. We're here. You don't want to talk about that one. We're here. You must go there. Now cut you call they go now. Cut now you call they go one after the other. One after the other. You they come up for the other one. Hungry want kill you. I want help. Humanitarian see the board here. Sticking and yeah, this thing when you go print banner, when you go print with it, collect people money. If you never carry juju corner that they fear, you must go there, answer them. Your prayer will do nothing. Your prayer will do kutulu, not like kutulu. Your prayer will not do it. All those one are evil prayer. As they pray and they backfire you more. Go answer them. You say you strong. Mona got tired of yo. Nobody. When you dey cause somebody Benin, they not carry your mess, not use your mess to rob the Benin kingdom. Not use your shit and your useless life to rob that kingdom. Because na family na disgrace, also mad na follow na family. Why madness na they run for their vein. So Oba family no be like that. Not carry your mat near that palace. Not carry your mat near Oba kakaka. Face on yourself. Now you the turtle there. No involve Oba for this one. No carry our Oba. No carry our Oba. Because if they swear for Benin people, they swear for Benin people who come for Benin. No, they don't say Oba na get Benin. So not now you have a mess that you are going to rub your face in shame and your used face don't get slapped. You slap on your face now, don't come. You are not looking for who you want to use it to rub. No, it cannot be possible. Go and answer Erio. You get mind. You say you be Odunga. Now you they fight for Kakabo. Now you they fight for the day and get Jari. Ashawoniri shameless to Ashishi. When road life not let them come. Jealousy one kid. Come on, go the call nonsense. So if you Erio, you have to deal with her. Let her go and answer the Elala. What thing you not do, the person put her for her. You have to take action. So that is it. If they not take action, no, so okay. That means what you talk about, like they didn't get. Go bring your pikin, papa come outside. He say I lie. Blood test not let and break. I la people not let and break. She no go come out to live video say, if not be Michael, your husband get this pikin. Make the pikin when he don't bomb all of the die for it. He no both use them. You know both swear say if not be Michael, he born that serial law give. If that pikin a serial law, or if na Michael get and they say a serial law, may use and swear say make him die. You know, Bodo. Siralo. Ton. Only say English when they speak. You say you not go this thing when this Ivierio called that day. You never enter there because I'm so Gambia did and I dare you for fair also. Now there you for see this Siralo man when he give you belly. Now there for see this Siralo man Why you dey talk and say you no go there, you never enter Medina, be where they call am, you never enter there because make dem no talk say na there for really see the man when you born the first pikin give. Come swear with your life now. DNA test cut we no see. I dey wait, I still dey wait. I no see that one no fake head. All those one are jege. You know, see the girl man the top person born through. Your own name was part 3 papa 5 children, 3 papa 5 pikin. All boy what was this? Me I been one try, I be try. Just that the man, the people they no good. Now make me the man no good. Now be the thing. My own better pass so 5 pikin different papa. Mama now the shop witch. You dey fear. You abandon the pikin. You dey say get man the talk. You no go use your children head taste waste if you get pikin for us. Your husband mama talk you deny. I call your name, say your name na Tina, now you tell also for Genova and this place. You say not be your husband mama say talk and you say na lie. Oh my people, I'm not gonna let this video too long, maybe just 12 minutes. God will bless you now. So if you are Rio, make she go answer the query. Don't pity her, they are useless people. Make she go answer. You understand? When they find trouble, they need to answer. So God bless you all. I appreciate you. So this message go for the Kakabo. If you are Rio, Pepe then where that be the title. I will write it there. Pepe Kakabo where. Pepe Kakabo where. Pepe Kakabo where. Pepe Kakabo where. So now, so my people, this video goes to my Vera Comedy TV. Please, if you never subscribe, try to subscribe to that channel. Try to subscribe. You want to know the Ogbonge things when they go on for there. Don't miss anyone. When you subscribe, the update will come. Oh yes, 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 yes. Oh yes, my beautiful people, thank you for watching and thank you. Stay blessed. So I'm about to go now. Thank you all. I appreciate you all for watching my videos. I appreciate you all. So please, if you never subscribe, please don't fail to hit the subscribe button so that you know anything I'm doing here, so that you will be notified anytime I do video there for my student enter. So no, for my Vera Comedy TV, so that we'll start live video there. Please, I beg you, if you're watching, subscribe not hard. They know they say you subscribe, they collect your wife and money finish, or you subscribe, they collect money when they inside your phone. No, the reason why you subscribe, why that subscribe is important. When you subscribe to person, anything when that person they do, you go they get a lot. And if you want me, you they updated with waiting that person they do. Now to your click that bell. Now that bell go they knock for your phone. Gang gang. When you hear message like that, gang gang gang, you say, okay, this person don't upload or a daylight video. Now the reason why subscribe me, some people will say I be that they pay for subscribe. Some people will say I be subscribe na money. No, no be money. Now they miss and no be money. When you subscribe, it's normal. Say you subscribe to this person, you want to watch them. That's what it means. And you they get more updates there. Anything they do, they get and you press that bell. So thank you very much. I'm about to go now. God bless you. So stay blessed and thank you very much. I'm about to go. Thank you. So bye for now. Have a sweet day. All right, bye.